At Axios Industrial, trust is in our DNA, and we're here to earn yours. Whether you require specialty services for capital projects, turnarounds, or routine maintenance, trust Axios Industrial to deliver. On time, on budget, and with dynamic solutions driven by our insatiable innovation mindset. Our zero-harm commitment to people, property, and the environment isn't a catchphrase. It is our unwavering commitment on every Axios project. Our Parry-Up Rosette Flex modular system is the perfect balance of flexibility and dependability, just like our experts installing it. Parry-Up is the most advanced technology in industrial scaffolding. It also meets the latest international standards. What does that mean for you? Safety, flexibility, and reliability, even under the most extreme conditions. Scaffold needs may be temporary, but at Axios, we deliver our solutions with longevity in mind. Trust our highly trained industrial coatings experts to deliver a quality service that is designed to extend the life of your most critical assets. Our team is comprised of highly skilled applicators trained to install a multitude of thermal insulation and metal jacketing specifications. There's no scope we can't cover. Where ingenuity and skill surpass every challenge, our diversified, skilled teams are ready to deliver our specialty services to meet your needs. Scaffolding, coatings, insulation, specialty services. We use our innovative mindset to help clients achieve single-point accountability, unparalleled reliability, lower costs, and maximum value. Through our uncompromised commitment to safety, we build. Through trust, we succeed together. Let Axios Industrial earn yours.